Here we have a balance, and we have one orange, we're going to say is equal to 2 apples, and we're going to say that 5 strawberries is equal to 1 banana, or 5s equals b, and 1o equals 2a. So we're going to start with this balance here. This happens to balance these 3 oranges, these 2 bananas is going to balance off 2 apples and 55 grams. Now, just to make sure you're clear, we're not solving this. We can't actually solve this balance. We can't figure out exactly how many grams apples or bananas or oranges are. But we want to use the properties to write a new balance. And I want you to come up with a different equation than I have. So I'm going to use property 1, which is addition subtraction. So I have 3 oranges plus 2 bananas is balancing 55 grams and 2 apples. Okay, so maybe I'm going to make that a little O. Okay, so it doesn't look like 30. And I'm just going to add a watermelon to both sides. Okay, and although I don't know what the watermelon balance is, I know that if I add the same amount, I'm going to keep it balanced. Now you could add whatever you want. You can add, 1 to both sides. Okay, whatever you want. Just make yours different than mine. So property 2. Property 2, I'm going to multiply and divide. Okay, so multiplication and division. Well, I'm going to take my original 3 oranges, 2 bananas, 55 grams, and 2 apples, and I'm going to just double it. So I'm going to do 6 oranges, 4 bananas, 110 grams, and 4 apples. Okay, so you can't use that one, but you come up with your own. Maybe I'm going to do something. I'm going to double it and make it all multiplied by z. I don't know what z is, but I'm going to multiply everything by z, and that should still keep it balanced, because as long as I multiply and divide both sides by the same amount and everything on both sides, it's going to stay balanced. So property 3 is equal replacement. So I'm going to have 3 oranges, 2 bananas, balances 55 grams, plus 2 apples. And I think I'm just going to replace the 2 apples on one side with 1 orange. I'm just going to replace that with 1 orange. Okay? And that's an equal replacement. So that should stay balanced. I could also do a different replacement. I have 3 oranges and 2 bananas is 55 grams plus 2 apples. And what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to replace each of these bananas with 5 strawberries. So 2 bananas is going to balance off 10 strawberries. So I'm going to put 10 strawberries to replace the 2 bananas. And that is a like for like replacement, because I'm replacing the same amount with the same amount. Okay, so I want you to come up with your own. So use the 3 properties that we've gone over to come up with new balances. Lastly here, we have these 2 balances. Now we're going to actually try to solve this system. We're just going to try to figure out how much one brick weighs. Okay, these bricks here are the same weight as these bricks here, and we're going to figure out how much one circle weighs. These circles here are equal to these circles here. And we know that one brick is balancing 2 circles and 4, let's say, kilograms. And 2 bricks is balancing 6 circles and 2 kilograms. So how can we figure out how much each is worth? Well, I'm going to try this like for like replacement. And I'm going to replace the 1 brick here with 2 circles and 4 kilograms. So I'm going to on this side, I'm going to replace the brick with 2 circles plus 4 kilograms. The second brick with 2 circles plus 4 kilograms. And I have a new balance. Now, why would I do that? Well, by doing that, I've now don't have any more bricks to deal with. And I can see if I can solve this by taking off some stuff off the balance. So I'm going to take these 4 circles off and these 4 circles off, and I'm allowed to do that because I can add and subtract the same amount from both sides. And I'm just going to rewrite my balance here. I'm going to have 8 kilograms on this side, and I have 2 circles plus 2 kilograms on this side, and they're balancing each other off. In fact, I could rewrite this balance. I can just get rid of the 2 kilograms on both sides, and I can say that 2 circles is balancing 6 kilograms. Well, that means that 1 circle must balance 3 kilograms. So I figured out how much each circle weighs. And if I figured out how much each circle weighs, well, I know that 1 brick is going to be equal to 4 kilograms plus 2 circles. Well, those 2 circles equals 6 kilograms together. And that means that 1 brick must be equal to 10 kilograms. And I've actually figured out how much 1 brick weighs and how much 1 circle weighs. And just double checking here, does that work? Yeah, 2 circles, 6 plus 4 equals 10 kilograms. Over here I have 20 kilograms, and I have 6 circles times 3 kilograms. That's going to be 18 kilograms plus 2 kilograms. Yeah, that's going to balance my 2 10-kilogram bricks. So these are unique solutions to this set of balances. And I've actually solved this system of equations.